you want to slice your oranges. You want to make them all the same width when you slice them, so that when you dry them, they all dry evenly. The thicker you cut them, the longer it's going to take for them to dry out, and the thinner you cut them, the quicker they'll dry out. You can add these oranges to a wreath or make them into ornaments. You can make a garland with them, or you can even grind them up and use them as like a seasoning with some salt. Oops. Once they're all sliced, you want to put them on like a cooling rack that can go in the oven. And then I have my oven preheated to 200 degrees. And then they'll bake for 2 to 4 hours, depending on the thickness of your oranges. So when they're dry, they become more transparent, especially this one. You can thread some string through the little holes. So I folded my wire in half and then pierced it through the fleshy part of the orange, like so. And then stick it through your wreath around all the parts, and the wire will come out on the back, and you just twist it. This one's actually a lemon.